How to upload PDF file in MailChimp. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can upload a PDF file in MailChimp. Now, the first thing to do is to note that to upload a PDF file on MailChimp is very easy. Okay, very easy and straightforward. And next thing to note is that you have to have a MailChimp account, of course. And then once you are logged in into your MailChimp account, you'll be brought to the home page as you can see here. And then on the home page, by the left corner of the screen, you'll see a list of options such as campaigns, automations, audience analytics, websites, contact, and integration. For this tutorial, our focus is on content. So just click on content. And then once you click on content, a list of options will also be, you go ahead and select my files. My files is below creative assistant and above email template. So here you would see files, and then by the right side of the screen you would see upload. Yes, upload. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to your your device's files and your document, whatever you want to upload. Now, before I go further, I must say that for you to be able to upload a PDF file on MailChimp, you have to ensure that the file is not above 10 MB. Yes, if it's above 10 MB, it would not be uploaded. So you can just find a way of reducing the size of your file. It is if it is above 10 MB. So once that is done, go ahead and then locate your file where your file is. That is the file that you want to add. So if I want to add to your MailChimp account, so select it like this, click on open. Then once that is done, you see it would upload. As you can see, it has been uploaded into my MailChimp account. Very simple, quick, and easy. So this is how to upload PDF file in MailChimp. Thanks for watching.